Hey guys, number one, I'm sorry this is sideways. The first thing you need to do at school is log into the student Wi-Fi, which is Murray Student. Then you need to enter in your email, username, and password. Then you need to go to your App Store and you need to download Microsoft Office, Outlook, which is your school email. That's probably one of the more important ones. Download that. Then you need to look for Microsoft OneDrive, which is a file system to keep all your files, pictures, all that fun stuff, and Word documents for classes. After you download OneDrive, then you need to go and search for OneNote, which is where a lot of your teachers are going to put assignments and where you will need to turn in assignments. And finally, the big one is Microsoft Teams. Make sure it's Microsoft Teams. That's where all your assignments and everything will be located, and big information. Then I would store all these into one folder on your phone, mark it school. Mine I list as work because it's work and not school for me. But that way you can just keep them all together in one place and you don't have to constantly be looking back and forth. So the reason to have these is because if your computer isn't working, then you've got them. Now, the cool thing is to log in, you should just be able to log into one of these with student email, the whole thing, and student password. It looks different on my phone because I've already signed into it before, but once you log in, it's going to ask you is this for work, school, or personal, and you're going to click the one that says work or school, and then it's going to ask you all this stuff, and then you're into your email. If you have any issues with this, feel free to ask me or another teacher. But typically, once you're logged into one of these apps and you open another one, you should be logged into the rest. For example, Teams is your big major one. So if you go to Teams and you get in there, make sure again you're using your student email, all that fun stuff, and see right there it says work or school at the very bottom. I clicked work or school because it's not your personal, this is your school account. Allow notifications because your teachers are going to be sending you stuff. Sorry, guys. Go through all the little tidbits. Got it. And then when you go there, you will see like a dashboard, kind of like Facebook where activity is. But you want to click Teams at the bottom. And then there's all your teams, your classes. Right below each one, it'll say General or something else, and you click on that. And then it's like a Facebook feed. Your teacher is going to give you assignments or give you recommendations. But the big thing is to click more at the top and class notebook for me. I'm going to have everything in your class notebook. When you get to the class notebook, it's going to open it up and it's going to go to actually OneNote. So it's going to redirect you to that other app that you should have downloaded. And if you didn't have it downloaded, then it wouldn't go. And it should take you directly to that class notebook. Now mine, I have multiple notebooks, so it might have let me choose. But with yours, it should take you directly to that class notebook. And what you're going to notice is a couple of tabs. The most important ones at the top, collaboration space, content library, and there's a lot of tabs you need to read through. Then it's going to say your name. Now, I've got everybody's names because I'm the teacher, but you have your own. Just remember under the tab that says your name, if you click your name, it's going to have other tabs, and that's going to be the places that you turn in assignments for me. The next thing that you're going to look at is Microsoft OneDrive. It's a file holding system, Word documents, pictures. For me, if I ask you to use this, it'll probably be for pictures more than likely and not a Word document. But to get to a folder that you need, you have all your files here, but you need to click the one that says shared at the very bottom of your screen. And this might not be showing it, but the shared will bring up all your shared folders. Yours is titled first and last name and art, and you choose that one. It's empty right now, but the awesome thing is whenever I need you to turn in a picture, you hit the plus sign, you can take a picture with the app, or you can cancel and get out of that, and you can click the plus sign again, and you can click upload from your own library on your phone. And it's easy as selecting it, placing it in there, and when it loads, it's going to have this really long name. Well, if you press the three little dots on the right, you can rename it. And specifically, you would rename it with the assignment name. And then you're done. That's how you use OneDrive. It's that simple. I will tell you, I use these apps on my phone a lot if I don't want to take my computer home with me, or if you're away from your computer and need to turn things in. So just look at those. Again, here are the apps that you need to download. This is what they look like. And they're really easy and user-friendly.